Make sure your pan is preheated. Then throw your butter in, or your lard or oil. As soon as you see it start to get brown, tilt the pan around so that the whole bottom is coated and toss your onions in. Then you can add your bacon or bacon bits so that it flavors your oil. Toss the onions in, stir it around a little bit, and then you can throw your cabbage in. Stir it around a little bit again so nothing sticks. If it looks a little dry, go ahead and add a little more butter or margarine or whatever you're using for your oil. A little salt and pepper, and then cover it up on very low heat while the onions and the cabbage caramelize. Check them along the way to see if they're caramelized, and shake them a little bit so they turn over and nothing's sticking. There, now they're beautifully caramelized, nice and translucent and a nice caramel brown color. Now you can go ahead and add your noodles. You don't want to cover them anymore. Just shake them up and make sure the noodles get completely covered. This delicious side dish originated in Eastern Europe, probably Hungary, but it was a staple of Poland, Lithuania, Slovakia, and poor Bohemian peasants traveling in between. Most made it with lots of butter, and it was popular on dairy holidays. It was also made with pork lard for extra flavor, and was popular during Lent. Most often it was the main dish, since there was usually little meat available. Here in America, in delicatessens and ethnic restaurants, I served it as a side dish. I needed to adapt it to different customers' dietary requirements, but in order not to sacrifice any of the original flavor, this is what I did. Use butter and a strip of bacon if you don't have lard. Use butter and add a sprinkle of imitation bacon for a kosher or dairy version. Use coconut oil and a sprinkle of imitation bacon for a non-dairy, vegan, kosher, keto-friendly version. Just don't use olive oil, which is delicious, but it will change the flavor of the dish, and it will no longer be Halushka.